Welcome to today's guide, where we'll walk through the steps to prevent Facebook from accessing your phone's camera. Privacy matters, and taking control of app permissions is a simple way to protect your personal data. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your phone's settings. Start by unlocking your device and locating the Settings app. This is usually represented by a gear icon, either on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap to open it. Step 2. Navigate to Apps or App Management. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps, Applications, or App Management, depending on your device. Select this option to view a list of all installed apps. Step 3. Find and tap the Facebook app. In the apps list, scroll alphabetically or use the search bar to locate Facebook. Tap on the app's name to open its settings. Step 4. Access permissions. Within Facebook's app settings, look for the Permissions option. This might be listed under App Permissions, Permissions Manager, or a similar heading. Tap it to proceed. Step 5. Revoke camera access. Here, you'll see a list of permissions Facebook currently has. Find and select Camera. You'll now see 3 options: Allow, Ask Every Time, or Don't Allow. Choose Don't Allow to block access, and that's it. Facebook will no longer have permission to use your camera. If you ever change your mind, repeat these steps and toggle the setting back to Allow. Why this matters: limiting camera access ensures Facebook can't activate your camera without your knowledge. While the app still functions for browsing, messaging, and other features, this adjustment adds a layer of security. It's a small step with big privacy benefits. Remember, regularly reviewing app permissions is a smart habit. You might be surprised how many apps have access to sensitive features like your microphone, location, or photos. Taking a few minutes to adjust these settings can make a significant difference. Thanks for joining today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who values their digital privacy. Stay safe and see you next time.